Let's see, it's 71 degrees. Updated piston slap video. See what it's gonna do. Cold start. Real quiet today. Oh, never mind. There. Still the same wire from the accessories. I need to get this belt on it. Belt on the Euro. Still knocking a little bit. Sliding down right now. It's a 97 Malibu 3100. Still a spring chicken. Gonna go to the AutoZone, get some oil, change the oil in it today. By then it should warm up. It should be whisper quiet when I come back. All warmed up. Quiet. The injector firing, PC's out riding a little bit. Power steering pumping, all the coolers are warmed up. No smoke. No bad intake gasket. Normally they start to leak up in there. You see that's cooler, the green stuff cooling up.
Whatever you got in there, got